Good morning students. As you can see over here, last time I had explained you, okay, these all estimation and multiplication after estimation, okay. So students, if you will watch over here, last time I had explained you how to do exercise 3F. So today we will start from smart time, okay. Actually smart time is, in real it is a smart time. You are getting smart knowledge over here. Now you will tell me how this is a smart knowledge. So for this, if you will see, okay, here it is, patterns in multiplication. Okay, last time if you remember, I had given you one such numbers. Actually not I had given in a book. There was one such number which when multiplied with any numbers after addition gives what? Highest number of 3 digit. That, if you remember, last time it was in activity. So here also, this time also, there is an interesting number, 1089. And if you will see here, these numbers are multiplied with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after that observe their products. Let's watch. 1 into 1089, that means 1089 becomes 1089. Okay, now 9 into 1089 is just opposite of this. If you will see 9801, here also 9801. Reversed, 1 multiple of 1 and 9 of 1089 are reverse of each other. In same way, if you will multiply it 2, you will get 2178 or 2178, and when you multiply with 8, you get 8712. Just see, opposite, both are opposite. Reversed, 8712, and from here it starts 8712. They both are reversed. What is here in thousand place, here it becomes in at ones place. In same way, you can see when multiplied with 3, it comes 3267, and here when multiplied with 7, it becomes 7623. Just see, just opposite, 3267, from here last 3267. If you will see from 4, it becomes 4 into 1089 becomes 4356, and 6 into 1089 becomes 6534. Now you see opposite, 6534, 6534. So this is the interesting fact about this number, okay. If you will see, in the two products in each row, the digits are in reverse order of each other, okay. The digits are reverse order of each other, and 5, of course, from both sides when we divide it, it is from both sides when we will see, it is same only, either from this side 5445 or from this side also, then 5445. okay, I hope all of you are understanding it. This time you can see I made this video more interesting by keeping a webcam over here, okay, so that you will be watching me also, and you will be understanding the expression of mine, that what I am explaining, how I am explaining. Sometimes what happens to students, simply without expression, if you are watching the videos, then you may start feel lazy, okay, and when there is the expression, when you will be watching me, I hope you all will be feeling it interesting, okay. So if you will see over here, here is a do you know section. Mathematician Wilhelm Leibniz, born in 1664 and died in 1716, used the symbol, this symbol generally we say intersection, okay, this symbol for multiplication. In place of multiply sign, that means this sign, he was using this symbol, and here it has been said is still used for multiplication, and still in books it is going on for multiplication, okay, but this sign is now used in studies of sets. It is used in study of sets. This represents the common members of different sets. When you will go in 10th and 11th, then you will be understanding about this sign, okay, which informally means a collection of common objects in 2 or more sets. Intersection means what? Common of common members in 2 or more sets. You will read about that, A intersection B intersection C, about that. Now you will not remember, but Might be if you will go in higher class, then you can remember, yes, in 4th only I had read about this, and they sir has said me about this, that I will be studying in 10th or 11th, then here again. That is the thing, that it is, the book is taking you from base level to the topmost level, where what you will be reading. Okay, so interesting book this is. You have to read it and you have to understand many things. So here it has been said, in the two products, in each row the digits are in reverse order of each other. Look for more such multiplication patterns and share with your friends. Okay, fun with multiplication. Okay, fun with multiplication. We can check whether our multiplication is correct or not by using simple technique. There are simple techniques to check our multiplication. Let us understand and enjoy the technique with the help of an example. You will watch it and you will understand. Here one example has been given, and these techniques many times comes as WhatsApp, in WhatsApp video also. Sometime I had seen this such type of techniques in the videos. Okay, it's not good to use social site, but yes, of course, if you are getting knowledge, so I am sharing it that this by mistake came to my group. Some groups also sends techniques, and then after this everything, so it came to my WhatsApp message and I had seen that. Okay, now, so here it has been said, let us understand and enjoy the technique with the help of an example. Okay, example, check whether the product is correct. That is 573 into 612 is equal to 3,50,676. Okay, so if you will see here, it has been said, to check if the product is correct, we take these steps. Okay, in short, it has been shown this side. That means add all the digits of one factor and again add all the digits of next factor. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply the digits of two factor. If it is 2 digits greater than 9, then you have to keep on adding. If the sum comes only 1 digit, then no need to add. If you will see over here, it comes 15. So again 1 and 5 has been added and it becomes 6. And now there is 9. So 9 into 6 becomes 54. And 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. So in same way, if you will see over here, it is 3,50,676. After multiplication, this number comes. Okay, you can multiply and you can check it. And how to check that your multiplication is right or not? Simply you add all the numbers. Okay, and you go on adding it till it doesn't become single digit. If you will see 3, 5, 8, 8, 6, 14, 14, 7, 21, and 21 and 6, 27. It is 2 digit. So again 2 and 7 is added, 9, and both are same. That means their product are equal. Okay, this is the way how to check the product, although there are several ways. Now you all can see, at first it has been said add the digit of first factor 573. Okay, then after it becomes 15, which is more than 9, so add the digits of 15 sum till we get a single digit. Okay, like you can see over here, 1 and 5 it has been added, 6 becomes a single digit. In same way, step 2, repeat the process with the second factor. There is second factor over here is 612. So with 612 we have to repeat it. Now here it has been said, multiply. Okay, multiply both single digits, that is 6 into 9. From here what comes and from here what comes, those factors, multiply that. Again what we got, 54. Now again you add this, we will be getting 5 plus 4, 9. Now you can see fifth, finally find the single digit sum of the product 35076. So it becomes 358, and then after 358, and then after 8, 7, 15, 6, 7, 13, and plus 6, 19. So 19 and 8, 27. So 2 and 7 has been added and it becomes 9. If our answer 9 is the same answer we got in 4th stage and our multiplication is correct, then our multiplication is correct. That means what we get in 4th step, that should be the 5th step also. So now if you will see, there is one more great technique in activity, that is let us do. Let us do means what? Okay, students, as you can see, camera working was stopped, so due to that I'm just explaining you. After a few moments, you can see our learning objective. What is there? Learning multi-digit multiplication by lattice multiplication technique. Okay, what technique? Lattice multiplication technique. Okay, this is also said box techniques also. Okay, so if you will see here, what it has been done, materials required, it has been written paper and pencil. Of course, you have in paper pencil you have to draw the box according to the numbers. If you will see, there is 2-digit number, so 2 into 2 a square grid you have to draw. You can see our factors are 2-digit number into 2-digit number, so 2 into 2. If it will be 3-digit into 2-digit number, then 3 into 2 you have to do. I will be showing these questions also in solution in latest SS there is. After that, what you have to do is, here you can see it has been written. Okay, in the step 2, split factors 69 and 56 into digits and write the digits 6 and 9 along the row and from left to right, and the digits 5 and 6 along the column from top to bottom as shown, so that each has a square box. Okay, 4 square boxes will be made. Okay, one will be for this 9 and 5, another will be for 6, and then again this box is for 9 and 5, this again for 6 and 5. In same way 9 and 6, and then after 6 and 6 last box. Okay, while multiplication you will be knowing. So let's see. Step 3, draw diagonals from the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Okay, you have to draw from right to left like this. You can see in this way you have to draw. Okay, after drawing, what you have to do, each square is divided into 2 right angles. If you draw a square, of course we know in a square 4 right angles are there, so 2 right angles are joined like this. You can see 1 right angle over here and 1 right angle over here, so 2 right angle triangle. It is just right triangles. Each square is divided. Okay, now in step 4, what it has been said, multiply through the grid and write the product using upper triangle for the tens digit. Now each square box has been divided into 2 parts. Upper triangle is for tens digit and lower triangle is for ones digit. Okay, that thing only has been said over here. Okay, square box, each square is divided into 2 right angles, multiply through the grid and then write using the upper triangle for tens digit of the product and the lower triangle for ones digit of the product. Add the numbers down each diagonal path. If the sum exceeds 9, then write carry over digits as shown here, written in the circle. In circle, this is the carry over one. I'll explain the figure also. And retain ones digit as shown in arrows. Okay, you have to show in arrow ones digit, and tens digit here also it is in circle. That means it is added to over here, and now there is no any digit. This has been transferred. Okay. Now if you will see step 6, combine the digits of the sum from left to right. From left to right you have to combine it like this. It will become 8, 4, 9, 0, 1. That is the multiplication. Okay, this is 3 digit, another number 2, 3, 8 into 4, 6. This comes for 2 digit, it becomes 4, 6, 8, 3, which is the answer over here. Okay, variation, extend the process for more digits or factor. For example, 1 has been done over here. I had said 3 into 2, if it will be that 3 boxes. Okay, for 3 digit number, and 2 boxes for 2 digit number. In this way it will be made rectangle. Okay, now I had said I will be explaining. So if you will see, at first you have to make a 2 into 2 square grid as this, then you have to draw a line. Okay, diagonal, it is also said diagonal. Diagonally you have to join the line. Now let's see, 5 9 the 45, so 4 at tens place written at the top and 5 at ones place. below. Again 5 6 are 30, so 3 at tens place, 0 at ones place. 6 9 are 54, so 5 at tens place and 4 at ones place. 6 6 are 36, so 3 at tens place and 6 at ones place. This is how you have to do. Now you will be adding, okay, 4 in this diagonal there is only one 4, so that is only the sum. If you will say in next diagonal, how you have to see the diagonal? Like this, okay, in this diagonal. So it becomes 5 5 10. This outside 5 you don't have to see. Inside the box what are there that you have to watch. This 1 5 1 5 10 and 1 6 16. So 6 carry over 1 passage up to here, and now it will be joined to the next diagonal boxes. So 4 1 5 5 and 0, 5 only, and 5 and 3 8, okay, and now 3 as it is. So it becomes 3864. This one will not be counted, this will go over here, okay. So multiplication you can see here it has been written 3864, and if you will see for 238 into 4 6, that means 238 into 46. Let's see, for 238 the columns has been made. You have to also see the number should be written from, if you are writing in row, the number should be written from left to right as it is. 2 is at 100th place, so 100th place, then after 10th, as right must should be ones place, in this way. And from up to down also, okay, down must should be ones place, and ones, tens, 100, in this way it goes. Towards up we go on counting. I hope all of you had understood this activity, and I had said these activity questions will come in a, you can see latest essays also. So here it has been said, multiply using box multiplication technique, okay, that is also said. Already I had said box multiplication technique is only this technique which I had explained you in the activity, which is also known as lattice multiplication technique, okay. So we will move. As I had said, I had made all the questions of latest essays. Even 3F questions I had solved, one from each. If you will see after this all book page, at last there is 2 pages of solutions, okay, of estimation, okay. You can see here the first one is of estimation only, okay. Here it is. It has been said estimate then multiply, okay. If you will see the question, you can see it, or even you should sit with the book, and whenever I am explaining you should watch it, okay. So here the question is what? Let's remember the question. I will not be coming back again. You can see estimate the product by rounding its factor to their highest place value. Highest place value means here it is 100 digit, the highest one, so 100. Here tens, so tens. Here 100, so rounding up to nearest 100. Here 10, so rounding up to nearest 10, in this way, okay. And second question also you see estimate the product first, then compare it with actual product. In second one you have to find estimated product, and you have to compare with actual product. So let's see how I had done and explained to you. So if you will see here, at first I had written estimated value of the first number, and what was the first number? 269. In 1A 269 was there, so I written 269 rounded up to its highest place value is 100, is equivalent to 300, okay. That means 269 rounding up to its nearest 100, it will become, or it will be equivalent to 300. Why? Because the 10th digit is greater than 5. When we are rounding up to nearest 100, then we watch the 10th digit, and if it is greater than 5, you have to write one more in 100 digit. You have to add or increase 100 digit by 1. If it is less, then all will be removed, it will be 0 and nothing will be added. If there is more, then what will happen? 1 will be added to its other place, that means 100 place, and all will become 0. These things you have to keep it in your mind. So if you will see 48, here the highest place value is 4, and ones is, that is tens, and ones is greater than 5, so 1 will be added, so it becomes 50. You can see 48 rounded up to its highest place, that is 10, is equivalent to 50. Therefore estimated product is equivalent to 300 into 50, that is 15,000. Already I had said you last time, when there are numbers, then simply multiply the numbers, and as many zeros are there after the number, you simply keep there that much zero. In same way, if you will see one question number D, okay, here also the same question is there, that is at first you find estimated product to its highest place value. So if you will see 725, when we round it up to its highest place, that means 100, 7 is there, so it will become how much? It will become 700 rounded up to nearest 100 will become 700 only. 725 was there, so in place of tens there is 2 only, so nothing will be added and it will be removed and all the digits will become 0, so that becomes 700. And then after 425 rounded up to its highest place value gives how much? 500. So after that it has been written estimated product is equivalent to 5 into 700 or 700 into 500, that becomes 35 lakh. Sorry, 700 into 500, not 35 lakh, 3,50,000. Okay, if you will see 2 and 2 40, and then after 7 5 35. Okay, so this is how you will be doing multiplication. Now if you will see question number C, it has been said to estimate at first, to estimate normal multiplication, and then after you simply multiply the product of two numbers, actual product, then you will be writing which one is bigger and which one are small. So I think I had able to make you understand. So I had written over here hence estimated product is equal to 7, 8, 9 more than the actual product. Okay, now if you leave 425, 415 rounded off its to highest place, that is 100 is 400, and now 9 rounded off to its highest place, that is 9 only, because 9 highest place will be 9 only, it is not tens or ones, so the highest place value of 9 should be 9 only. I hope all of you are understanding, students. So now estimated product of equivalent, estimated product is equivalent to 400 into 9, that is 3600. Okay, so students, you can see D number question, as I had said, and other pieces also are there in the pound. So okay, that will be going to you through the vendor. Okay, thank you very much. So you can see over here after making 1A and 1D, and then after again I am making 2A and 2D. Okay, so students, as I had said that I will be giving you the solution of even latest essays, so you can see here all the solutions are here. Okay, from this first question, not all the questions of the latest essays has been done. You can see up to question number 9 I had explained. So the first question is simply multiplication. If you will see over here, the first question is what? Multiplication. Okay, you can see this is the next chapter which we will be reading. Okay, one number and two number I will be reading, and then again I will be not coming back. If you will see one and two number, one is find the product of the following, so general method you will be using, and one you have to use multiplication technique, that is box method. So if you will see in one number there is 48 into 63. So what I did, student, I had simply multiplied generally as we are doing always. Okay, you can see over here 3 8 is 24, 4 carry 2. Okay, and then after 3 4 is 12, so and carry 2 are there, so 12 and 2 14. Now nothing is carry, 1 is carry, and there is no number, so 1 will be also written. In same way, we are multiplying with 10th digit, so the ones digit it will become 0, and then after 10th digit 6 8 is 48, carry 4, and 6 4 is 24, and 4 28. So it will be added. Now you can see 4, then after 8 4 12 2, carry 1, 8 1 9 1 10, carry 1, so 2 1 3. In same way, I had taken here 3 numbers. Okay, I thought if I will be doing first and last number question only, you might be not understanding it, so I had made D number also. Okay, it is the second last question, 5 question over there. So it is 102, that means 102 into 403. Okay, 0 is there, so I had selected this number also to make it. So now with 3 you can see 2 3 is 6, no carry over is there. Okay, so 3 0 is 0, so 0 only, and 3 1 is 3. In same way with 0, starting from 10, so at first at once we have to keep 0, and from 10s this all when multiplied with 3 digit, 2 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, so it has been written for these 3 digits multiplication 0 0 0. And if you will see here with 4 4 2 is 8. Okay, at first it is 100th digit, so unit and 10th digit will become 0, and from 100th digit it will be started, so 4 2 is 8, no carry is there, so 4 0 is 0, and 4 1 is 4. So now all are added. You can see 6 0 0 when added it becomes 6, 0 0 0 added then 0, then after 3 and 8 11 1, carry 1. Okay, and then after carry 1 goes over here, so 0 1, okay, 1 0 0 when added it will become 1, and it is 4, so it becomes 41,106. That was about the 0. And if you will see here, all the digits are multiplied with 1 only. 719 is multiplied with 111. So with 1 when we multiply, it will become 9 1 is 9, 1 1 is 1, 7 1 is 7. Again it is 10th digit, so unit digit it will be 0, then after 9 1 is 9, 1 1 is 1, and 1 7 is 7. In same way again with 1 it will become 0 0 9 1 7. Okay, then added it becomes 9 9 1 10 0, carry 1. So 7 1 8 8 1 9 9 9 18, carry 1 is there, 7 1 8 and 8 1 9, so it becomes 79,809. Okay, so now if you will see, there is, let us assess. Okay, in let us assess, already I had said you that in 2 number it has been said to use the box technique. So you can see here, this is 2 digit into 2 digit number, so I had made 2 into 2 square box, that means there will be 4 squares. You can see 4 squares are there. Okay, then after I had written the numbers from left to right and up to down. You can see 5 6 into 1 3, that means 56 into 13. Okay, so now with 1 into 6 it will be 6, no number is at their 10th place. This is single digit number, so 6 is over here, and 10th place it becomes 0. Okay, in same way 1 into 5 is 5, no number in 10th place, so in 10th place there will be 0, and in unit place below, in that means in the down diagonal triangle you will be writing 5. Now again with 3 3 6 is 18. You can see 1 is at 10th place, so 1 here, and 8 is at 1's place, so 8 below. Okay, you have to keep that unit digit is always written below a part of the box. Okay, a square box. Now 3 5 is 15, so in 10th place 1, and in unit place there is 5. Now what we will do, we will add. Okay, this is the last diagonal box. Okay, so 8, and then after this all will be added, not outside box. So 6 1 7 7 and 5 12, 2 is there, and 1 is carried over. You can see 1 carried over. I had written over here as it has been explained in activity. Okay, so 0 and 1 1, and 1 5 6, 6 and 1 7 is over here. Now no carry is there, so 0 will come as it is. So if there is only 0 number just front, no need to write, so this answer becomes 728. So you can see 56 into 13, I had written 728. Okay students, if you will see, this will be the last question which I will be explaining. It is 3 into 2 numbers, so you will be making column, 3 column boxes and 2 rows boxes. Okay, so you can see for 2 1 9 there are 3 boxes. Okay, in both the rows, and for 3 7 there are 2 rows. Okay, that means 37 and 219. I hope you are remembering how to write the numbers. That means from as it is written, from left to right. Leftmost box will become 1, then after tens, then after 100, and in same way downmost box becomes 1, so 7 you can see, and as we move up it becomes tens. Okay, So now you can see 7 with 9, 7 9 is 63. Okay, no problem, you can start it from down also or up also, but the numbers should be arranged in same way. You can see 3 9 is 27, so 2 is at tens place, so 2 at the top and 7 at the bottom. 3 1 is 3, so nothing at tens place, so 0, and 3 1 is 3, so it at ones place there will be 3. Okay, and then after now 3 2 is 6, so at ones place 0, and then after at tens place there is 6. Okay, in same way with 7 9 is 63, so ones place 3 and tens place 6. 7 1 is 7, so ones place 7 and tens place 0, and then after 7 2 is 14, so ones place 4 and tens place 1. So what will happen when you will add? Okay, you can see 3 as it is down. Okay, then after 7 and 6 13, and 13 and 7 20, 20 0 is there, 2 will be carried over to the next diagonal. You can see this, and 2 and 2 4 4 and 3 7 7 4 11, so 1 will be there, and again 1 will be carried over to the next box. So now 1 and 0 1, and 1 and 6 7, 7 and 1 8 it is, and 0 as it is, it comes. So as I had said, if there is only 0 at the highest place value, you have to remove that 0, and it will become 8103. That means 8103. This circle number should not be written, that you have to keep it in mind. So students, thank you, that's all. Okay, remaining solutions, if you will not if you are not understand, then you can ask me during the online class. I will be explaining you, okay, on Monday. So you can see over here 3 4 5, all the solutions are over here, 6 7 8, okay, 9. So after that I will be explaining in online classes. Till then, thank you, take care. Okay, thank you everyone for listening me and watching the video.